navigating the EOREN professional development website. This is the home page to the website. You could simply click the development PD events. On this page, you can look at an event, click the details button here, and this opens a new tab. So the easiest way to navigate this is to take a look at your selection and then close that tab, and then you're right back here to look at another one. And again, take a look at it and close the tab. Administration. There is a administrative page that's hidden, and it's just changed by, instead of typing events, type admin. And this is the admin page for you guys to organize the website. The first part of it is the way for you to edit an existing project. If you open up a project and change with the formatted URL, that automatically updates the document that's embedded on that page. So that's how you would change information. If you want to add new events, you add a new event here with this form, and then if you refresh the page after adding that, you would see a new document in here. So the second step would be to edit the website and add a new event according to the directions. And then the third piece on your admin page is a summary of all the registrations that, again, a Data Studio project lets you sort through all of the registrations by lots of different criteria. In this segment, we will talk about how you would add a new event to the database and also the website. So the first step that you would do is fill out this form. So I had paused the video while I took the time to create a new record on the professional development, filled it all out, and then I would simply go ahead and submit that. So as you can see, I'd finished submitting that form, and I scrolled down through the list of documents in this folder. I don't see the document, but if I refresh the web page and then scroll down through this folder, I'm going to see this document 6. This is the one I just created. So the next step is to come over here to you're in the editing the website. So once you have created a new event using the form, then you come over to the website, and under you open up the workshop template, and then you actually just duplicate it because it's all set up the way you want. You name this the name of your workshop, Reading Workshop, and be sure that you name this E6. That's the document number. Say done, and hide it from navigation. So those steps. And then it says to remove this text box and add the working doc. So I could just come in here, go to docs, and I should see this document number 6. And that should be, it's not showing its true information yet, but it will in just a little bit because Form Publisher is probably still busy writing it. And I just kind of make that as big as it needs to be to have all the data in it. And then I can actually remove this box, and then we change that emphasis. We name this Reading Workshop, and we're done. And then we publish. So in order to test this, we would come back over here, and we would go to our Events tab. And now notice on our searchable database, we should have, let me refresh that. Sometimes you don't get, okay, so in this case, Data Studio did not refresh. So you would also then have to have your Data Studio, hold on one second. I'm going to move this out of here and pull this So I guess when I'm running this and doing this, I would have three things going. I would refresh this Data Studio project, and there's my reading workshop. And now when I come over here and refresh this, now that I updated Data Studio, here's my reading project, okay? And I click on it, and this should be bringing me to my reading workshop that I just created. It has all the data in it. Now, if you, for some reason, needed to update that record, you would come over here again. You would come back to admin page. You would then find this record. Again, now we're going to have to also, I guess we're going to have a couple of things. Hold on one second. I would also have to have this I would have to refresh that. Okay, so now that's refreshed for me. Then if I was going to, yes, I'm going to come back here. I'm going to refresh this page. So this is the admin page, and I've refreshed Data Studio, so I'm going to see this reading workshop. Now I come in here, and I go, I really want this to have, I needed to add this information. So I'm just showing you what happens when you you update a form, and then we go ahead and submit it. So that's all done again. And in a moment, when I refresh this, we'll cover all this new stuff. If I refresh this, it's fairly quick. This will cover all this new stuff that our teachers need. So that's the system for, we have this admin page that lets us update existing projects, and it lets us add new projects, and walk you through the process to do that. And then we can take a look at what our registrations are. So again, just trying to show how this system would work in all built out of G Suite.